Hi everyone, this is Laurel.
And I'm Pierre, and I'm all confused because typically I start.
Hi, this is Laurel.
And I'm Pierre.
And we are
Who Walks on the Run.
Pierre, why is it that it seems like when we're sitting in campsites, we see RVs pulling in with Jeeps? They're towing Jeeps like all the time.
Why wouldn't it? You know, Jeeps equal adventure since 1941. Like I'm not that smart. I just see it all over my Jeep. So since 1941, Jeep's been a big thing in the Army and all of this, and it became an adventure-related unit.
What about the grill?
You know there's 7 bars in front of the grill? Somebody knows what those 7 bars mean? Every Jeep has 7, not 4,
Tell
not
us
5.
in the comments below.
Yeah, there you go. But I'm going to give you the answer. 7 continent. If there is 8 continent, well, there's probably 8 bars, but typically there's 7. So that's why Jeep is kind of the thing, I guess, in back of campers. But I'm sure there's other kind of unit. We just don't see them as much because we're Jeepers. We like Jeeps, and we had 3 Jeeps so far.
And we like the adventure that they bring wherever we go.
Oh yeah, we got good clips and good souvenir with that.
So when you've been towing, what have you used to tow your vehicle?
I got my wife in the Jeep and I tell her to drive. No, not at all.
I am really close to the back end of that that fifth wheel. I follow. She can't even see the Jeep.
She even falls asleep while she's on the wheel. So we have a tow bar. We got an NSA industry tow bar. There's Blue Walks out there. There's Demco. There's Roadmaster. There's all kind of different towable system that you know exists. You have the dollies, the little things that you drive on and you hook up in the back that you just drag the front end. It's lifted. So we like the 4 wheels on the ground. It's easier. I feel that it's comfortable. You don't even know it's there. And then there's the trailers that you can drive on and you can haul it like a regular trailer. So we already talked about the wifer, the one that drives, or well, maybe the husband, or not to insult anybody. So yes, some people just follow behind for thousands of miles.
But as Jeepers, though,
yeah,
we love festivals. We love anything that's going to be a lot of fun.
Right.
So recently we went to the Jeep Beach Festival 2022. It's their 19th year, over 4,000 volunteers, and 100% of the proceeds go back into the community, which is amazing. Over 50 charities. So in the comments below, we want to know, what are you hauling behind your RV? And what are you using to tow it with? And we're going to leave you on this clip of Jeep Beach 2022. We are at Daytona Beach 2022 Jeep Week, and today's the first day. This is pretty exciting, so here we go.
Hey, hi guys. We're at the Jeep Beach 2022, and we got Robert here, who's kind of a sponsor or a guy in charge who started this. I didn't even know. He is the big wig.
Volunteer like everybody else.
There you go. So explain to us why I thought Jeep Beach was a bunch of Jeepers just hanging out together, and all of a sudden I learned something else out of this. It'd be
Absolutely,
nice
guys.
to-
Absolutely. So, welcome to Jeep Beach. This is Daytona Beach. We do this every year, give or take the last half of April, depending on what the dates run. We are a charity organization. So we bring in 20, 30, 40,000 Jeeps from around the world. We got Jeeps from different countries, Jeeps from different states. Every penny we make goes back out to local charities though. So whenever you come into Daytona Beach and you buy a registration package, that money goes back to local school districts, local charity events. We got 50 charity events that we donated to last year. A little over $500,000 off of 1 week of events. We have merchandise we sell to help make that money. We have track laps we sell to help make that money. We got about 30 volunteers that are year round, but during this week we chop in about 4,000 volunteers, give or take. So if you are around and want to help the community, help a fellow Jeeper, come see us.
That is
Follow
cool.
us on jeepbeach.com.
When did this start?
So yeah, so this is our 19th year. So it started 19 years ago, almost as a couple Jeeps on the beach as a little club on a Saturday. And we did that for many years, and it grew and it grew and it kept doubling in size. 3 years ago, 4 years ago, don't put me on paper on that, we did change this over though to a 501c3. So now our money is actually going into our community. So the guys that are here with us that help us grow, we're helping them grow. So our mission is to make sure that we help them, not to help ourselves by any means. So good people, good crew, good family, good Jeepers, and great sun.
Everybody
you.
needs to come out and support. Thank
Yes,
you
please.
so much.
Thank y'all so much. Pleasure to meet y'all. Pleasure out there,
Appreciate
guys.
it. Thank you, Robert.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
Thank
that.
y'all.
And you guys remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's about the journey.